Are you looking for the best women grooming kit in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best women grooming kit that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Manicure Set, Nail Kit, Pedicure Kit, Grooming Care Tools for Men and Women. This cute leather travel kit has everything you need for your grooming needs. It includes everything from nail clippers to tweezers for all your emergency needs. The chic black design pairs well with the leather case, keeping you fashionable and prepared. At number 4, Manicure Set, ESARORA 18-in-1 Stainless Steel Professional Pedicure. This hard shell kit comes with an abundance of tools. It's slim, easy to carry and perfect for traveling. The best part about is the amazing. At number 3, Remington WPG 4030C Ultimate Body and Bikini Grooming Kit. The Remington Bikini Groomer is slim and chic with a nice purple and white design. It comes with a variety of shaving heads that will keep you clean and groomed well in bikini season. At number 2, FAMILIFE 03 Manicure Set, Pedicure Kit Nail Clipper Set 13 PCs Professional Men Grooming. Here's a grooming kit for the man in your life. A modern silver and brown leather look carries scissors, clippers, and even pliers in a stylish carrying case for men. At number 1, Philips BikiniGenie Cordless Bikini Trimmer, Showerproof Hair Removal. This Philips BikiniGenie offers a few different shaving heads and a waterproof design for the bikini idea. The BikiniGenie is a steal. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.